update on Euro USD before we do end this trading month, and of course enter a new trading month of July, which we're super excited for. This month we've achieved just under 3,000 pips. I mean, we were looking to obviously smash our 6,000 pip profit that we had in March, but just under 3,000 pips. Of course, it's still a profit, and you can't go broke making a profit. But the end to the month has been a bit shaky. The market was super choppy this week. So we did suffer quite a bit of drawdown, but nevertheless, still an overall good trading month. Now let's see what we have here on Euro USD. As you can see, we've now pulled back up to the top of our range, which happens to be a key resistance area on the weekly time frame. We did take advantage of shorts towards the end of and just the middle of last week. Those shorts were quite good. We banked just under 140 pips trailing that position, and it's a good thing we did trail, because as you can see, price started to rally again this week, retesting this key resistance area on the weekly time frame. And this is it, right? And this is the most annoying thing that can sometimes get to us as traders, and it tends to happen towards the end of the month when the market is slightly choppy. Fair enough, we should have said to ourselves, what is the chances of Euro USD hitting this key support area again, on the last week of this month? Very, very unlikely. So as you can see, we're just seeing price range between this support and this resistance area here. So we're going to look for another sell entry, maybe towards the start of July, depending if price does pull back to the support again. We will look for a good risk to reward shorting opportunity, or if price does break and close below this mini support area that we have here. But all in all, we have to be super patient with this trade, because this week the market was just ranging, and I'm going to show you what that looks like on a daily time frame. And before I do that, of course, we saw the bullish rally at the start of the month for Euro USD, and the technicals were in perfect alignment with the fundamental data. So of course, the euro started to rally based on the fundamental data, which I'm not going to get into on this video, but you can see it was based around the technicals as well, because we saw price rally off this key support area here, right? And as you can see, we were actually preparing for shorts, but we took advantage of buys as we did start to see price reject this support area, and of course it was in confluence with the fundamental data on the euro. So now we're all shorts on this one. We're looking for simply shorts. But yeah, let's get into the daily time frame and just have a closer look of what happened this week. So as you can see, based off that sell that we had, price was almost rejecting, coming close to this key support area that I was talking about before, and has almost it hasn't hit it, but as you can see, price did spike to the upside again, almost trying to retest this resistance area, and then of course price did then move back down to the downside. And we're just seeing that this week. Basically, we're just seeing price range and go up and down. In fact, we could see that over the first week of July, which is why I said we have to be extra cautious. We're not just going to sell based on this trading pattern itself. Price has to close below this level, or at least pull back up to this resistance for the selling opportunity. And if we are going to start utilizing our Fibonacci tool, we're not going to look to sell price back to support right away. We'll probably have our take profits just above the 61.8 Fibonacci level, because I wouldn't be surprised if we see another retest of this resistance. I think a lot of traders, investors are going to they're going to fight the sell position back to the downside. So they're going to want to push the price back up, which is what we saw at the start of this week, across all pairs really. But as you can see, price is moving back to the downside. So we're going to look for some great selling opportunities on this pair, which I'm super excited about. And that's basic standard support, resistance, buy low, sell high So yeah, we're definitely going to be looking for great selling opportunities. I'll speak to you all soon.